It is essential to always have a plan. And yet, no plan beats chaos. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Saw you drop a device in there when you thought no one was looking. Did you turn off the overheads before your little stunt?
Those fires were under control.
I thought there was no control. I thought chaos wins.
What I am trying to do as preamble is define fire.
Fire is the release of heat and light due to oxidation during combustion. There, it's defined. Now, do you have any data or practical techniques to discuss? Because you're not so much telling us things as conflating fire, which is an impersonal elemental force, with the monster in a child's closet.
Yeah, that's your opinion.
Maybe if you'd use science, not forensic files psychobabble, you'd have some leads on the guys torching your jurisdiction over the past 2 years.
I personally, peer-to-peer review and communication are two of the main reasons why I offer this presentation.
Or maybe because you like the sound of your own voice.